Clear up. Them say if I catch 35 in a cash pot. I mean, it's a 35 player. You hear a number that you know?
No.
You never catch it?
No. Me never go buy in a cash pot.
And you buy cash pot every day?
No, sir. Sometimes me there, me nah no money. Me can't go buy cash pot.
35 or why in a cash pot again?
No, pum pum, man.
What?
Pussy, man.
What?
Girl pussy, man.
What you say?
35 a girl pussy in a cash pot.
Who tell you that?
That them say.
Say you don't buy them thing there. That should have,
never buy.
that should have been your favorite number then. Like when you not get done in real life, you have to just buy it. Which other meaning it have? 35 or else?
Them say a goat, man. On the board, them say a goat.
Oh, on the board, them say a goat.
Yeah.
But Jamaican know it as well.
Pussy.
So I give 12 chicken. 50 chicken, we go and raise.
Yeah, Gallus.
This time, man,
Yeah,
don't kill one.
Yeah, Gallus in a chapel line.
Yeah.
Where you fuck out the whole of your life? Where you have to show for say you fuck?
So the first rule as a girl is
If you have a youth. If you're not
who believe?
No, if you're not a youth.
Michael, I believe?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, Michael believe.
You
believe, Dwayne?
If you're not a youth, you're fucking vain.
What you say, Mr. Noise?
No, but you're fucking vain then. Where you have to show? No, you're
What you say, Mado?
fucking vain. Michael said, turn the camera upon him.
Alright.
Take the camera off of me. Turn it upon him. Turn it upon him. Turn it upon him, my brother. Who are you? That's the first thing in a dance. Then if you guys are ready, I'm going to a youth. I'm going to be ready. No, I can't come on a ready. I don't know what I'm going to
So, Striker, who you say young father?
I don't know who a young father. All me I say, the first thing in a girl's law, you have to have a youth.
And if you don't have a youth?
You're fucking a vain.